Diwali is special to me because I get to spend time with my family and eat delicious sweets. We also light sparklers and exchange gifts. Diwali is one of my favorite holidays. I get to spend time with my friends too. Who doesn't love that?
Diwali is special to me because it celebrates change. Every year, our family does a prayer ceremony called a puja. We light fireworks and write in our house. I love Diwali because I get to hang out with friends and family and receive gifts.
Diwali is special to me because it brings me close to my family and friends. We do a bunch of activities like playing games, bursting firecrackers, and eating good food. Diwali brings joy to the month we celebrate it in. Thank you. That is why Diwali is special to me.
Hi, my name is Shay. Diwali is special to me because I can spend time with my family and see my grandparents. I don't see my grandparents too often, so Diwali is one of the only times I can talk to them. We also light up Indian candles called diyas, and they brighten up the whole entire house.
Diwali is special to me because my family lights firecrackers on Diwali and also has a really big feast with all my family and friends.
Hello, my name is Sanjana Mula. Diwali is special to me because it is a great time to connect with friends and family. One tradition that my family partakes in is lighting candles in our driveway. Diwali is the festival of light, so the light from the candles signifies the importance of this. The candles are meant to guide good spirits into our homes and our lives. Thank you.
My name is Neha. During Diwali, I get to spend time with my family and partake in a lot of religious activities. Diwali is special to me because it brings me closer to my family and to my culture.
Diwali is special to me because at night we wash coins and I get to sit down with my grandparents and parents and brother. I don't really see my grandparents anymore because of all my new responsibilities. I hang out with them at Diwali and we talk about my life and how school is going and whatever else is new.
Hi, my name is Drew. Diwali is important to me because I get to take part in many traditional activities that I look forward to throughout the year. Some of them are, I get to light firecrackers with my family, I get to participate in a number of religious activities, and I also get to have really good cultural food.
Hi, my name is Kishori, and Diwali is important to me because it's a time where I can express my Indian heritage. Diwali is a great festival because it is a time for me to meet my family members who I haven't seen in a very long time. My family goes to my grandparents' house for Diwali, and we dress in Indian clothes and eat a lot of food. In my family, there's a tradition where me and my grandma cook for the entire family. I really enjoy doing this because I don't see my grandparents that often, and it's a great way for me to connect with them after not seeing them.
Diwali is special to me because I'm able to meet my entire family from India, and we're able to light fireworks to celebrate the festival.
It's important to me because it is a family tradition from when I was young. Every single year, me and my family have a dinner at my aunt's house for Diwali, and we all get together, exchange gifts, eat treats, and we just all hang out together, and it's a very family thing that goes back from a long time ago.
Diwali is special to me because it's a time where my whole family gets together at my grandparents' house, and I get to see cousins that I usually don't see for most of the year except for Diwali and Thanksgiving, and that's just because they live far away. But Diwali is a great time to catch up with them, have fun, and the whole time we just play games, celebrate the holiday, light fireworks, and eat great food that my grandparents.
Diwali is special to me because I get to spend time with my friends, family, and then we all get to have a get together and have fun.